New package. I am excited about this one. I think, I'm not quite sure which package this is, but I think it's software. So let's have a look. Let's have a look inside. So, this is what we'll be looking at today. And it's not going to be very in-depth. It's just, let's just have a quick look at this. I managed to find, well, I didn't even look for them. I have some searches that I get notified on, and somehow both of these came up at almost the same time. So let's just have a look. Microsoft Office Standard designed for Windows 95. Is this like the first version of Office, like in this configuration? I'm not sure. But this is you can see the Windows 95 like theme going on here. It's pretty cool. This one is actually sealed as well, and it's in very good condition. Let's go in for a closer look. Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Schedule Plus. I don't even know what that is. Interesting. Om litt er kaffen klar. Okay. So they're showing off Microsoft Word, and we have a Vulkan Kaffe AS report. Most popular coffee beans. That's the graph right there. They're showcasing the open icon. Find files quickly. Type in a word or expression and find files in seconds. That's handy. So you need a PC with a 386DX processor or better. 486DX recommended. You need Microsoft Windows 95 or NT Workstation 3.51 or later. 8 megabytes and 16 for NT. So it's basically the same as the later version. This one uses less disk space though. 31 megabytes for a minimum installation, 60 for regular, and 98 for custom installation. So I guess that's like all the custom options. You do need a CD-ROM and a VGA graphics card. They recommend an SVGA card with more than 256 colors. Well, with 256 colors. There's a plug for Microsoft Access. It would be nice if that was like part of this instead of Schedule Plus, whatever that is. You can do even more by adding Microsoft Access databases to Office Standard. Look for Office compatible logo if you want to use more products that look like and works like Microsoft Office. Okay. Well, that's Microsoft Office Standard. Very nice. So this is a sealed boxed version of Microsoft Office 97 Standard. And I mean, it's not the most retro thing, but Office 97 is what I used a lot, and I kind of like this this puzzle and these colors that they used at the time. Not for resale, home PC use only. So I guess this was maybe like some OEM version embedded with maybe you like got this when you bought a computer or something. For Windows 95 or NT Workstation, you can obviously see that the box is in Norwegian, which makes sense to me anyway. Not to you guys, of course. Well, maybe some of you. There's the puzzle thingy again, which I like. Glitrende nyheter. Okay. And we have some garden appliances sales for 93, 94, 95 and 96. This is the kind of beautiful reports you can make in Office 97. And we have the Clippy right there. That's nice. So we can see they want us to use the Microsoft IntelliMouse to get the full experience, the full Office 97 experience. And I guess this is the first version of the IntelliMouse. Like the IntelliMouse 3, is it? That's one of the best mice ever. At least for like the form factor of the mouse. I really like it. It's a screenshot from Microsoft Outlook. We have some system requirements here. PC or multimedia PC with a 486 processor or better. Microsoft Windows 95 or later. NT Workstation 3.51 Service Pack 5 or NT Workstation 4.0 Service Pack 2. And looks like it takes up 66 to 185 megabytes of storage. 112 for a standard installation. Okay, so that's Microsoft Office 97 Standard.